Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can save $1,000 on the brand new xTool F1 Ultra Fiber Laser Engraver. All you have to do is click on one of the links below, place a $100 deposit, and that $100 deposit will turn into a $1,000 deposit. Spectacular savings. Now, we're going to have the xTool F1 Ultra on our channel very soon, and we'll take a first look video followed by in-depth reviews. Now, first of all, there are several standout features that I want to share with you. And the number one for me is safety. Now, we have fiber lasers, and most fiber lasers have no enclosure. Eye safety is something that concerns me. And typically what you would have to do is wear some glasses like this. Now, if there are other people surrounding you, they also have to have glasses. That's not the case with the F1 Ultra. It has a built-in laser cover that's going to provide eye protection for you and anyone around you. Now, the second thing that's important to me is smoke and fumes. When you're laser engraving, if you're, let's say, working on metals, there's smoke, there's fumes, even with wood. Now, the xTool F1 Ultra, their enclosure, not only does it protect your eyes, but it also shields you from smoke and any other fumes that may be coming from what's being engraved. It has a built-in fan that's going to extract all that material either to a smoke eater or sending it away from your work area. That to me is a powerful combination for safety. Now, secondly, dual lasers means more flexibility. I have a great fiber laser, but it limits me to working with certain materials. That's not the case with the dual 20-watt fiber and diode laser, as it opens up a wide variety of materials: metal, wood, slates, glass. It just opens up a whole world of engraving with one simple device. Next is Challenger coins. They're super popular, but they're difficult to do. The F1 Ultra not only will allow you to engrave and make Challenger coins, it also has the ability to engrave color on certain metals. Again, opening up a wide variety of product capabilities and also personalization. Now, fourth, the work area is big. We're talking about 220 by 220. That's massive for production, especially if you're dealing with batch products. If you're working with slates, I'm really excited to see how many slates I can engrave at once on the F1 Ultra. Now, if that wasn't enough, the conveyor system expands this even further. It's like an assembly line of products that just get engraved and deposited, and it does it fast. Now, last is the built-in camera, which makes engraving objects super easy. I think it's the first in its class when it comes to fiber lasers. And not only that, but it has curved engravings, allowing you to engrave surfaces that you wouldn't typically without a rotary tool. This makes it super flexible as well. As you can see, we're really excited to test out and share our findings with you on our channel. Make sure you subscribe and follow us to stay up to date on this laser. See you on the next one.